We ask a lot of our travels. We want travel to relax us. We want it to make us feel fulfilled. We want travel to bring us closer to our family and friends. We want it to reinforce our own sense of self. And we want all that to happen in the 5 days we have off. But here's the thing. Travel can do all of that for you, no matter where you go and how much time you have. It's all in how you approach it. Now, there's no doubt that we have experienced a loss of travel. We may still be experiencing it, but that has only reinforced our deep need for it. And going forward, there's going to be even greater importance put on our travels, making up for lost time, reconnecting with loved ones, and creating memories that were put on hold. So I would love to share with you how even in the short amount of time, I'm in a new destination, a new country, a totally different culture, with my family or solo, I get the most out of my travels. These are my personal tips on how to make travel count.
For more information about this and other episodes, destination guides, or links to follow me on social media, log on to placestolove.com.